Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix invalid MS-DOS function in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows, click System. Type copy file buffered synchronous IO, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.